Hi everyone, it's Doug from Bjorn Territory. Welcome back, and in this episode something a little bit different. So my wife decided to humour me and she said that she would like to start an army and basically beat me at Age of Sigmar. And she chose the Maggotkin of Nurgle. And what I've done, bonus for me, I get to paint them and build them, which is a bit of a result. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make my swampy bases, which I'm quite pleased with. So a short little video and I'll show you how to make your own swampy base. Catch you in a bit, bad boy. So I'm going to do a base coat just of Wraithbone on the base. Make it light and build it up from there. Do a couple of coats, make it an even layer. Just keep it light to begin with. For the swampy look of the base, I'm going to come in with some sterling mud just to add in variety onto the base. I'm going to build it up from the centre. What I've done, I've added in some flock and a little bit of shrubs from Army Painter just to spice it up. And now I'm coming in with Nurgle rot. Sterling mud's dry, just come in with Agrax Earthshade as a wash. Once Nurgle rot's dried, I then go in with Contrast Pterodon Turquoise, and it gives it a murky, swampy look to it. Next bit, a little bit of PVA glue, and then some flock, just to bring my swamp bit to life. Right, so the flocking's dried. Now I'm coming in with the Ard coat. I'm just going to layer it over the entire, not the entire, but over most of the base, where I would want the swampy bit to be. And I'm going to be quite generous. I'll probably have to apply a couple of coats to it to get it how I want it. Oh. Make sure it's right up to the edges. Let that dry and maybe put on another coat. Cool. So there you go, it's dried. I did a brown edging, which worked quite well with the greens on top. And as it solidifies, you go coming closer, has that nice liquid, wet look to it. It looks cool. I'm quite pleased with it. Might add in some more shrubs, maybe some flowers in there, might look quite cool. See what I could do with it. But yeah, up to you. Hope you pick up some tips and tricks for this one. Enjoyed me doing something a little bit different. I'll catch you soon. Take care.